For today's video, my husband is cooking chili. First, he cooks the ground beef. Then, he prepares onion and garlic. This is the chopped tomatoes and the kidney red beans. Ito pala kanyang ilagay sa kanyang red beans. Brown beef. Ito guys, sinugasan muna namin ang red beans niya. Yan. Now, he saute garlic and onion. Now, he adds the tomato sauce to the big pot. And then, the beans. Then, the cooked ground beef. Finally, the chili powder and cayenne pepper. So, this is it, guys. And then, he put the salt, the seasoning for his chili.
Another tomato sauce.
Yummy. So, yun na to guys, ang kanyang chili beans. Red chili beans. Maganda. Masarap pala. Maganda. Masarap ang kanyang chili beans. Yummy. The taste. It's the taste. It's it. Yummy. So ito guys, luto na siya. Let's eat everyone. Yummy.
Balik lang grade 6. Thanks.
Yan sila dalawa. Kasi si Bunso, nahirapan siya ng kanyang mga assignment.
Kasi. Sige nga, isa mo sa keyboard.
Ayan kasi si Matalino, nagdi-discuss sa kanyang bunso na kapatid.
Gawin mo, hindi mo.
Ayan naman si Toto, kumakain ng kanyang chili beans.
Ourselves, yung ano eh.
Ayan.
Ourselves.
Masarap.
Sinabi ko, oh, di ba? Inulit ko.
Yummy. Ayan ang kanyang chili, nilagyan niya ng cheese.
Ano ito ba ang ng chili? Ano ba?
So yummy. Spicy much.
First be spicy.